If you're thinking about starting your crypto investment journey in 2025, the very first question you're probably asking is, which cryptocurrencies are actually worth investing in? With over 20,000 coins in circulation, it's easy to get overwhelmed by hype, news, and speculation. But if you're serious about long-term profits and financial growth, you need to focus on coins with strong fundamentals, the ones that have stood the test of time or are building real-world value. In this video, I'll walk you through the top 5 cryptocurrencies to invest in 2025, especially if you're a beginner looking to start smart and safe. Let's start with the leader of the pack, Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the original cryptocurrency, launched in 2009, and remains the most dominant and trusted digital asset in the world. It's often called digital gold, because like gold, Bitcoin has a limited supply. Only 21 million coins will ever exist. That scarcity makes it a powerful hedge against inflation and currency devaluation. In 2025, Bitcoin is also benefiting from wider adoption among institutional investors, governments, and even payment platforms like PayPal. Countries like El Salvador and businesses like Tesla have already started holding Bitcoin as part of their reserves. With the next Bitcoin having scheduled for 2024 to 2025, supply will tighten while demand continues to rise, creating a strong potential for price appreciation over the next few years. Next, we have Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency and the backbone of decentralized finance and smart contracts. Unlike Bitcoin, Ethereum is not just a digital currency. It's a programmable blockchain that enables developers to build decentralized apps, tokens, NFTs, and financial platforms. After Ethereum's transition from proof of work to proof of stake, the network is now far more energy efficient and supports staking, allowing investors to earn passive income by holding ETH. In 2025, Ethereum is poised for continued growth thanks to its dominance in DeFi. Ongoing upgrades like dank shorting. The third coin on our list is Solana, a high-performance blockchain known for its lightning-fast speeds and low transaction costs. Solana can process up to 65,000 transactions per second, making it one of the most scalable blockchain platforms currently available. It's gained popularity among developers building NFTs, gaming platforms, and DeFi apps. While Solana has experienced technical downtime in the past, its development team is actively working on stability improvements. In 2025, Solana is expected to play a key role in onboarding new users into the crypto ecosystem, thanks to its low fees and fast user experience. If you're looking for a coin with strong upside potential and real-world use cases, Solana is worth keeping an eye on. Fourth on the list is Polygon, a Layer 2 scaling solution designed to make Ethereum faster and cheaper. As Ethereum continues to grow, network congestion and high gas fees have become a major concern. Polygon helps solve this problem by providing faster transactions at a fraction of the cost, while still being connected to Ethereum's mainnet. What makes Polygon unique is its adoption by major global brands like Nike, Meta, Reddit, and Starbucks, who are all exploring NFTs and Web3 integrations using the Polygon network. In 2025, as more big companies enter the blockchain space, Polygon's technology is likely to play a critical role. It's a great choice for beginner investors who want affordable entry into a project that supports the wider Ethereum ecosystem. Fifth, we have Chainlink, one of the most underrated yet essential projects in the crypto world. Chainlink acts as a bridge between smart contracts and real-world data. It allows blockchain applications to receive external information like stock prices, weather conditions, sports scores, and even election results in a secure and decentralized way. This technology is known as an Oracle network, and Chainlink is the most trusted name in that category. Chainlink already has partnerships with Google Cloud, SWIFT, and hundreds of DeFi projects. As blockchain adoption grows across industries, the need for reliable off-chain data increases, and Chainlink is positioned to dominate that space. In 2025, Chainlink's growth potential is enormous, especially with its expanding staking program and new features like cross-chain interoperability protocol. Now you might be wondering, what about popular meme coins like Dogecoin or Shiba Inu? Yes, they've had viral moments and some people made quick profits. But these coins are highly speculative and don't offer long-term utility or technological innovation. If you're serious about building wealth with crypto in 2025, it's better to stick with coins that have strong development teams, growing ecosystems, and real-world adoption. Another common mistake beginners make is investing without research. In crypto, we have a saying, "Dire. Do your own research." Don't just listen to influencers or blindly follow social media hype. Take time to explore a project's white paper, study its use case, check its community activity, and look at its roadmap. Use platforms like CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, and Twitter to stay informed. And don't forget security. Store your investments in trusted wallets like Ledger, Trust Wallet, or MetaMask, and always enable two-factor authentication on your accounts. Let me also remind you, investing in crypto is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a long-term game. The market can be volatile, but the key is to invest consistently, avoid panic selling, and stay updated with market trends. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your money in one coin, and only invest what you can afford to lose. Crypto has massive potential, but like any investment, it comes with risk. So, to summarize, the top 5 cryptocurrencies to invest in 2025 for beginners and long-term investors are: 1. Bitcoin, the gold standard and safest store of value in crypto. 2. Ethereum, the backbone of smart contracts, DeFi, and staking rewards. 3. Solana, the fastest growing ecosystem for NFTs, gaming, and Web3. 4. Polygon, Ethereum's scaling solution with real-world brand partnerships. 5. Chainlink, the data oracle powering smart contracts and cross-chain apps. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth crypto guides. And tell me in the comments, which of these coins do you already own or are planning to invest in this year? I read every comment and love to help new investors on their journey. Until next time, stay curious, stay safe, and invest smart.